We're getting ready to put the under drain in there, tie it into the existing pipe. It's on the footing back there in that corner before we backfill it with rock. That perforated pipe's got a sock around it. And here at 11 o'clock, we've got these king piers will be encased in concrete up to the top of the patio here. 3 nice finished concrete squares. We raised this right here. If you go back to the previous videos, that column was just dangling there. We got that back up snug. We're gonna concrete all these in today, so stay with me. King Piers, Olathe, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, I believe we are the nation's very best at raising and making things level. 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.